Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, 1:30 in Honolulu, 6:30 in New York on Tuesday, 20th day of February 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. In anticipation of the release of last month's FOMC meeting minutes, we saw gold have a strong rise today of $15.70. It is trading in Australia now, and compared to the close in New York, it is down $4.20, with April gold now fixed at $2,035.60. Gains in New York today were the result of dollar weakness. You can see the dollar index closed lower by almost 0.2%, and traders actively bidding the precious yellow metal higher. Silver dropped significantly today, giving up well over 1%, 1.44%, or 34 cents, forming a two-day pattern called a dark cloud cover. In trading overseas, it is below the closing price in New York and currently fixed at $23.05. We're looking at a daily candlestick chart of spot gold to illustrate the point of recent activity, which is mirrored in the futures market, which was characterized as a series of lower highs and higher lows, forming a compression triangle, with the lower trend line being based on these higher lows, forming a support trend line, resistance coming from the lower highs. We anticipated that we would get a breakout as it hit the apex, but we also assumed that the breakout would take gold through the upper level resistance line, moving it higher rather than break below the support trend line, which in fact is what happened when the CPI report last week came in fractionally hotter than expected. What followed was gold moving higher for 4 consecutive days. If we look at today's high, it matches with the former support line, which I now believe is the new resistance line. If in fact this former support line is now the resistance line, we will see gold trade fractionally lower, which is why I have put up the April futures contract. As you can see, gold is trading well off of the highs and closes today in New York, and our target for entry is going to be approximately $2,025, which is based upon a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of the move from these lows at 1996 up to today's highs at $2,042. I also believe that silver will fall in price short term. Today, we identified a 2-day candlestick pattern called a dark cloud cover, which indicates lower pricing. In Australia, silver has moved near the lows of New York trading and is currently fixed at $23.03. Our target for entry would be Fibonacci based at $22.40. That is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.